I got a phone call to the office. Homeowner said that there was a drain put in by a contractor. It wasn't us, and it had floated to the surface of the yard water. And I thought they were crazy. I didn't know what they were talking about. So I'm here, the yard's flooded, and what they put in was the NDS EZ Flow. And it's buoyant because of the styrofoam. I mean, it makes a great life preserver, but it doesn't make a great French drain. Now, I've heard of this. I've had some contractors, professional grade contractors, tell me of certain situations like flooded crawl spaces because of the NDS EZ Flow floating in really heavy rain conditions. So it's my professional opinion to stick with the traditional gravel French drain, and I think it's a bad idea, my opinion, I think it's a bad idea to make a French drain system to regulate water out of a buoyant material. To learn more about building gravel French drains, subscribe.